To receive a Trace Original document, you will get an email containing a link and a one-time password. Copy the password and follow the link in the email. Paste the one-time password from the email and click the Login button. You can now see the document, and after checking that it is correct, tick the checkbox and click Accept Original. To receive a Trace Original document, you need a key pair. If you do not have one, click No. You will be asked where to store the key pair. Unless you want to store it in a YubiKey, click on this computer. The key pair should be automatically downloaded as a text file. Make sure that your key pair is downloaded. The location of the file may differ depending on your browser. Click Proceed with key pair to continue. Keep the key pair safe. It is necessary for possession of the document. At this point, you might be able to download the document by clicking the Download Original button to the right of the document. If there is no Download Original button, the current owner of the document needs to finalize the transfer, and you will receive a new email to download the document when it is done. In this case, we have a download button, so we can download the document directly. The transfer is now complete, and you can start using the document with the key pair you created earlier. Keep both the document and the key pair associated with it safe. Both are necessary for possession of the document, as well as managing the document. You can continue to manage the original document free of charge at the digital notary service traceoriginal.com.